Hi guys, today I'm making a 3-tiered dress for a 3-year-old. This is what it should look like when it's complete. So we'll have elastic up there at the top, elastic in there, the others down here. So we'll have elastic in the straps as well. Okay, so this is the first tier here. It is her height is 6 inches and it's 18 inches long. This is one piece, one whole piece. This is the second piece. So back on front. I'm just folding them so you can hold them. I cut into them. This is the second part, and it is 12 inches high and 29 inches one side. Okay, so it's 2 times 29 inches. 29 inches, 29 inches. This last one here is height 9 by 35 inches wide. So when I open it out like so, all of that is 35 inches, right? And it's another piece, 35 inches back and front. Okay. I've set them this way. I can get the midpoint, so clip it or mark it to get the midpoint. Okay, and I've done that to all the pieces. So now this is the strap. The strap is 8 inches wide. I've folded it and pressed it. Now I've stitched this one. This is how it's going to look. So you stitch it down on the side and then you flip it over, and then I pressed it, right? So what I'm going to do now, for each piece is going to have 2 pieces of elastic. Okay, so 2 pieces of elastic in this. So I'm going to stitch the middle and I'm going to run the elastic through. Okay, that will be done later, but the first thing I'm going to do now to start to prepare the dress is I am going to run loose stitches. I'm going to run loose stitches at the top, and then I'm going to gather it. Alright, so you pull the thread together for the gathers, and that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to join it to this piece. So I'm going to do all of them, do loose stitches, and then I'm joining them at the sides, and I'm going to do all for all 3 pieces. This is what the strap should look like when the elastic goes in. Make sure you stitch the 2 ends so the elastic won't pull out. Okay, so this is the top tier. I'm turning it under by quarter of an inch, and then I'm going to turn it again by 1 inch, and I'm going to stitch very near to the edge. I'm going to also make a stitch at the top about a quarter inch from the top. I'm going to make another stitch. So make sure your elastic casing is wide enough so the elastic will pass through. Just close off now that gap. So that's the top tier finish. This is the second part now. You're gonna make loose stitches with a quarter of an inch away from the edge loose stitches, and then you're going to pull them together to get your required measurement. Now that second tier should now match the hemline of the first tier. So after I've joined the sides, then I'm going to now attach it now to the top part. Now I'm attaching seam to seam, and where I'd marked it, I'm going to make sure I've attached those to the exact markings. Now this is the third part, the third tier. Now I'm gonna do this a little bit different. I'm gonna be joining the sides. Then I'm gonna be turning under by 1 inch. I'm going to make the loose stitch in the middle of that 1 inch turn there. So the loose stitch is going to be in the middle. I'm going to make the gathers. Make sure I get the measurement. Same measurement as the second hemline. Okay, after I finish doing the gathers, I'm gonna now attach now the third tier to the rest of the dress. So I'm attaching the edge to the part that I folded under. You can zigzag the edges before you actually pin these together. I'm going to stitch it now all the way around. And there it is, it's nearly finished. Now you can stitch on the straps. And then I hem the bottom about 1/4 inch. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and comment and share. Thanks for watching.